Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where we talk about skincare, grooming, and sometimes hair, so that sounds like a thing. Make sure you are subscribed. Also, come follow me on Instagram where I post a lot of stuff you're not going to see here on YouTube. I have a YesStyle haul for you. I feel like it's been a while since I've done one of these, and I love watching any kind of skincare haul videos, especially when it comes to Korean and Japanese beauty. So it's only a little haul, and I've actually had this package for about 3 weeks, so I've already tried a few of them, so I could give you like a mini review. But also, I purchased quite a few BTS themed products from YesStyle, and them knowing that I'm a K-pop fan, they are giving me one full set of the BTS Metaphor Idol contact lenses. There's more than 3 types to give away to one winner. I'm wearing a pair now. I'm wearing the pink pair that kind of like sit really nice like my brown and make it like a green. But yes, if you want to win a full set of the Metaphor BTS collaboration colored contact lenses, stay tuned to the end of the video. Whilst these YesStyle hauls aren't sponsored by YesStyle, everything in this video has been gifted, and I will link all the products down below in the description with affiliate links. So the first product I got was this Shiseido Aqualabel Clear Oil Cleansing. I'm really into my cleansing oils at the moment. I prefer them more than balms. Just because I feel like they're a lot easier and quicker to use. You know, 2 pumps over the face, emulsify, you're done. Whereas a balm, I feel like you need to melt it down on your face, and then, you know, it just feels like a lot more effort, even though it's probably not. So this really is a standard cleansing oil, but it does have lactic acid in, a form of AHA, so it's got that slight exfoliating property to it. With exfoliators in cleansers, you need to leave it on the skin for a bit. I think it's like a minute, I believe. Double check that. But that gives you a really nice opportunity to actually massage your face, really work away the sunscreen or makeup or whatever it is you're wiping away, emulsify and rinse away. Take that time to give yourself a nice massage. Just a quick note, I've had a lot of questions asking if you need to double cleanse. You don't need to double cleanse. You don't need to, but I would recommend double cleansing if you've used sunscreen or makeup, just to get it all off and then go into a normal cleanse. But you don't have to buy a specific double cleanse either. You can just use the cleanser you have now, but twice. But the good thing about these oil-based cleansers is it just helps really, really break down all of that stuff quickly, easily, with minimal tugging, scrubbing, rubbing, so you can then get the best out of your next cleanser. So the next product is this Coxir, I think you pronounce it. This is their green Tea BHA Clear Toner. When I first saw the packaging, I was like, oh, Coxir have redesigned their packaging and I hate it. But then I realized they were their own brand and I was like, oh, okay, it's all right packaging. So this is, of course, an exfoliating toner with BHA, but it's betaine salicylate, which is salicylic acid and betaine. I thought that would be more interesting. It's not, that's so obvious, but it's basically a BHA with a gentle moisturizing ingredient. You have green tea in there for its antioxidant effects as well, and green tea could potentially, possibly, maybe help reduce the appearance of enlarged pores. I notice a difference in my basic skin tone when I use a lot of green tea. And this also has snail mucin in it as well, which I think the jury's out as to whether snail mucin is like a thing, whether it really does have any benefits. But for me, when I use it, I like the texture it gives a lot of products, and I also like the way it feels nice and moisturizing on the skin. So yeah, I will give this a go. It seems like a nice, gentle chemical exfoliant. So I'm really, really trying to get into vitamin C serums. I swear I say this all the time. I've got one that I really, really like, which is the Claire's one, but I don't really use it that often. So I thought I'd get the Sun By Me Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Serum. And I'm really trying to like a Sun By Me product as well. I think a lot of people think I don't like Sun By Me, but I really want to. But I've just never been impressed by their product. So when I saw the Galactomyces Vitamin C Serum, I was like, that's something I love with something I want to try more of. The Galactomyces is something I love in my skincare. It's got those anti-aging benefits, really gives you a nice, even, brighter looking skin tone. This also has niacinamide in, which along with the Vitamin C Serum, again, is going to help even out your skin tone, but also help with that post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, so dark spots. Pair this up with a sunscreen and you have some nice protection during the day. So yeah, I'm going to give this a go. Maybe tonight, I don't know, check my Instagram, see if I've talked about it, but I'm gonna give this a go. One thing I do a lot of, because I don't like vitamin C serums, is look for vitamin C in other steps of my routine. So that's why I got the Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Toner, again from Sun By Me. I've got the Good Molecules Brightening Toner. I think it's niacinamide and vitamin C. This is pretty much the same thing, but sometimes I just don't like the stickiness, the metalliciness, the sometimes grittiness of of a vitamin C serum and the shine it gives my skin, especially as someone who's oily most of the time. So sometimes a toner is a nice way to introduce vitamin C into your skincare routine. I'm gonna try the serum first and then see how I get on with that. If I don't really like it, I'll crack this one open. I got quite a few sunscreens this time round. Whenever I order from YesStyle, I always get new sunscreens and I open them immediately and test them out. And I'm never scared that they're gonna go out of date because I do use sunscreen religiously. One that I got that came highly recommended is the Innisfree Moist Water Barrier Sunscreen. So I got this because it looks like everything I like in a sunscreen. It's that lightweight fluidy texture. It's a chemical sunscreen, SPF 50 plus PA+++++. You have ceramides in here as well as 5 different types of hyaluronic acid. You may know that I'm avoiding hyaluronic acid just for a little bit, so I'm going to leave this till maybe summer to start using. But this has some really interesting ingredients in that you don't usually see in sunscreen, like ceramides, cetearyl alcohol, and olivate. So nice skin barrier building, protecting ingredients. So yeah, I won't be using this anytime soon, but if you've used it, let me know how you get on with it. So I may be wrong, but I'm under the impression if your skin doesn't look so great that day, you can just use a primer and it will like help even out your skin tone and make your skin look smoother and stuff instead of having to do a full makeup routine. I asked my brother about this a million times and I always forget his answer. But with that idea in mind, I got the Free Concept Eyes Boosting Sun Primer. Again, this is broad spectrum, 50 plus PA3 pluses. But usually with SPF in makeup or makeup products, I always find it's like SPF 15 or 30 and it's like I want more than that. So it's really good to see a primer with a 50 plus PA3 plus kind of rating. But yeah, I don't really have a lot more to say about that. I don't really know makeup, but I hope this works. I'll probably I'll try it out tomorrow. First thing, maybe, I don't know. One product that I know I love is the Muji Sunscreen Lotion. This is SPF 50 plus PA4 pluses again. This is actually a broad spectrum, obviously, but a mix of chemical and physical UV filters. This is everything you'd expect from a Japanese sunscreen. It feels like water on the skin. It's like fluidy and light. It doesn't leave your skin matte nor greasy. And it's a great one just to like pop in your pocket and take out during the day and reapply during the day. I don't usually like reapplying sunscreen during the day without being in front of a mirror because I'm bound to be left with like a few white bits on my face, but this doesn't happen. It's so nice and fluidy, it just rubs in so easy. What I do like about this as well is a lot of sunscreens I own, if I've not used them for like a month, they kind of like the oil separates from them, and when you like squeeze it out, you get like this oily gunk. So this has a little shaky thing in it, which you just give it a good shake before you use it. But yeah, I wish they did this in a bigger bottle. I absolutely love it. Okay, we also have the Cozy Clear Toner Q10 eye masks. These are little cotton eye masks. So unlike those jelly, kind of like, what are they called? I've got the name of them. What's that material called? Jelly ones. They don't slip down your face. These stay put like a sheet mask. These particular ones are soaked in a serum that contains Q10, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid. Usual under eye cream, under eye serum stuff. They do say that they plump up the under eye, which I'm not too sure about, but my eyes definitely look way more awake. They look less puffy, if anything. I usually put these on if I'm going out somewhere or before I film as well. I love these. Whenever I go to Japan, I bulk buy these. And remember, these should be done in the serum or eye cream stage. You don't need to wash them off. You just gently pat that in and then move on to your moisturizer. There's no need to use these with a wash-off mask. So let's talk about that competition, the giveaway, for all my fellow K-pop fans out there. So this is Metaphor and BTS YesStyle are an official retailer of the Metaphor and BTS color contacts. They're all colors inspired by BTS songs, and they're so nice as well. Like, even though like my eyes probably just look a little bit different because you're so used to like a deep brown, but they all look so natural, so natural. Even these are pink, but they kind of like sit so nice on the colors, but the detailing's so nice. The detailing on the green and even the brown ones, the hazy ones, they look so natural. They come in monthly and daily versions. So yes, YesStyle are giving me a full set to give away to one winner. So all you have to do is be subscribed to me, follow myself and YesStyle on Instagram, and comment on this picture just saying your favorite K-pop song. It doesn't have BTS, but your favorite group, their song, and your bias. Please read the full information on the giveaway in the description down below. This competition is open to anywhere that YesStyle deliver to, and a winner will be picked at random and also announced over on my Instagram stories in a week's time. But yes, check all the details down below before you enter. But that's it from me now, guys. I will see you next time.